What you will learn by reading this book. In this tutorial we will learn how to create a simple 2D platformer game using Godot 3.2.3. We will study the skills and techniques that we need to acquire to generate any 2D platformer type game, among other genres, of your own design using the Godot game engine. The workflow we follow when creating projects in Godot may be a little different to the workflow you may have followed in the past with other game engines. We construct a project by creating scenes, which contain a collection of nodes of various types, which contain our resources and assets that we will use in our game design, and then we create main/level scenes which will hold our assets to build our levels. Below you will see many assets that we will create in the project for this example scene. Player, an animated Cave-dweller KinematicBody2D sprite which is moved around the level. Ground, a static body 2D object on which the player can move around. B, an enemy, constructed of an area 2D node which can be animated and contains collision detection. Apple, a collectible area 2D node which can be animated and contains collision detection. Platforms, on which the player can traverse to collect items in the level. End of level, which contains collision detection, which will allow the player to move to the next level if they have collected all of the collectible objects. HUD, displays details about the level, examples are, lives, score, health etc. Background, to create atmosphere to your level. These can be used as parallax if required. In this tutorial we will learn how to create each of these elements so we can use these skills and techniques to design and create our own computer games for others to enjoy. Have fun!